What's going on, Vintage Squad, man? We about to pick up these Flint 13s. I couldn't rock them today. Got the Yeezys on. Got the Yeezys. I got my boy with me. I ain't gonna expose his face yet. I don't know if you want me to expose his face. But we disrespectful. We wearing Yeezys.
That's the best way to do it, bro. I had to bring the, I call them baby peas. You know, they look like baby peas. Bro.
Nah, they fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But we wearing Yeezys to pick up some Flint 13s. I know it's kind of wrong. Hey. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and pick these things up. From Shoe Palace, got 2 pair. Yo, we about to walk up in Shoe Palace. Yo, so we just picked up our pairs. Wifey got a pair up there. But we still gotta go and pick up the other pair from Foot Locker at North Star Mall, man. So y'all stay tuned for the vlog. I said I wasn't gonna pick them up today. I might as well pick them up now and see if we can get some money, flip these things. And yeah, man, y'all enjoy the vlog. We about to head to the other mall, bro. Hey, they still got these denim 6s sitting in here, 150. I was expecting a lot more to be in here, but the only thing I see really in here is these DMP 6 things. You know, still clean. You got the Red Cement 3s up in here too. Check them out. You got a size 15 of these ones, the red Phantom joints. It's $80 though. And then I need these right here. I need these in the collection. Got the barcode on the back, Jordan signature right there. And I forget what these is called. I think like first class ones or something like that. These are crazy, man. Yo, so we are back at the crib, man. As you guys seen by the vlog, I picked up 2 pair of the Flints from Shoe Palace at my local mall right here. Check them out, check them out. I actually hit on a pair and my wife hit on a pair, so that was super clutch. And as you guys seen by the resale price, I'm gonna put a picture up right over here. You seen that them joints spiked a lot. And that leads to my main topic of discussion today is how much do I think they will go for in the next couple months, man. You know, usually with these releases we've been getting this year, we get a lot of restocks, But even with those restocks, a lot of people don't even hit. It's like maybe a couple pairs, not that many, and you don't see a lot of people saying they got them off that restock, man. But for these Flint 13s, the malls are opening back up, stuff like that. So I definitely only see these things going up even more throughout the year, man. I'm gonna stand on my statement I made a couple of months back, man. This is the shoe of the year. Check them out, check them out. This is the pair I got from the Shock Drop right here. Very fire sneaker, man. My favorite 13 I always wanted, and we finally have them today, so it feels so good to have them in hand. I got this pair. You guys already seen the pair that I did the reviewing on Feet On. I already rocked these things a couple times, got my wears out of them. And then of course I have the 2 pair from Shoe Palace. Let's go ahead and pull these things out real quick. But yeah, man, it's a lot of people standing in line at Shoe Palace here in San Antonio at one of the locations out here, and the line was wrapped around the whole store, man. I had a video somebody sent to me. I'm gonna see if I can plug it in here so you guys can check it out. But trust me, it looked like somebody was camping out for a pair of Air Jordan 1s or a pair of Air Jordan 11s like the Brez or Concord or something like that. But these things are super crazy. This will go down for me the shoe of the year, something that everybody wanted, something that the hype and the anticipation behind the shoe was so high for, man. Now that Air Jordan 1 this year has done this, now that Air Jordan 11 has done this so far. And speaking about the Air Jordan 11s that's coming out in December, I don't think it's gonna take the top spot as the shoe of the year, man. I think it would definitely be these 2020 Flint things, man. The quality is super buttery. I don't see any factory flaws. I might find some if I'm looking very hard. But I'm super excited about this release. I know a lot of people are as well. Let's get this pair out the way. Let's get to the other pair we have. Definitely a good shoe to sit on, like I said. It's only gonna go up, and don't be scared to hold them, man. You will definitely make your money back, plus some if you just wait it out a little bit. I can see these things going for around like $350 to $360, man. So definitely saving money. That's like what, $160 profit. You can't beat it, bro. So here you have it, man. A whole bunch of Flints. As you guys seen by the Air Jordan 11 Brez I picked up last year, I had so many pairs of them breads. And I ended up selling most of them, you know what I'm saying, making a little bread off of them, because some of the bread lemons I got them for under retail, so I made a good profit off of those. I'm trying to get into the resale thing just so I can, you know what I'm saying, engage with the resellers that come to watch the videos, give you guys a little point of view, what to do, some of the prices, see how the market is moving like that, so I can give you guys more information rather than just reviewing sneakers. So yeah guys, you let me know right now in the comment section below if you were able to pick up your pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints. Is this the shoe of the year? Me, you guys already know my opinion. It's definitely by far the sneaker of the year, and we not even in June yet, you feel me? That's what I'm gonna stand on throughout the whole year, and when y'all see my top 10 sneaker pickups of 2020, hold me to it. This will be #1. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe right now. We're so close to that big 30K. I want to thank the whole Vintage squad for supporting the channel, sharing the videos, liking the videos. You guys already know the goal for every video is 300 likes, and you guys have been killing it lately. I really do appreciate it, man. If you do not mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this pickup vlog of 5 pair of Flints that I do have now. I'm gonna sit on them. I'm trying to get as much money as I can on top of it. And let me know down below if you hit on a pair of your Air Jordan 13 Flints. Just something crazy. So yeah, man, with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.